Hi, hello, namaskar. How are you guys? I hope all you are doing well. And we have started Ravana. We have been Ravana from our bank to on the way to our home. And my English is becoming worse day by day. I have to purchase some tea, है ना. So चाय 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 कैमरो है, कैमरो कैमरो रिकॉर्डिंग होवे. सब सुनी जाएगी मैंने. यूट्यूब पर चैनल है, यूट्यूब पर चैनल. There was more work here in the market, but I am getting late now. I am not getting late, but there is no space left in my bag, so I have to purchase less things. Tomorrow I will come with a bigger bag so I can purchase everything. In this bag I can only put 1 kg of tea, and tea is mandatory, babu, because in Rajasthan every time, है ना, in every weather, मौसम, season, you say tea is mandatory, है ना. Whatever it be, being it a morning, evening, afternoon, summer, winter, है ना, tea is mandatory, है ना. If there is any problem, make a tea. If there is any happiness, make a tea, है ना. We have to gossip, please make a tea, है ना. I am working too hard and getting tired, make a tea. So tea is compulsory. We have come to the curvy road, and from now on I am going to speak in English for some upcoming vlogs नहीं भाई, vlogs, है ना, so that I can confidently speak English and my accent can be a little bit of refined. Okay. The air is a little bit of hot because there is summertime, bhai. It's summertime sadness. If anyone of you have heard that song, please let me know in the comment section. This is my favorite song, and I cannot sing because my throat doesn't allow me to sing. I can only bobbard mail sakta from my throat, but singing is not my cup of tea. I can make my voice very very thicky. I don't know the mic can do justice with the voice. Before 2 to 3 days ago, before and ago cannot come together. So 2 to 3 days ago it was raining है ना in Rajasthan, in many areas, in Nagaur and Ajmer specifically. I am telling Jaipur side and Sikar. It was raining and the mosam was so much pretty. It was very pleasing weather, but now the summer has shown its strength. The hot air is continuously coming from Pakistan, है ना. And in there are many words I can speak, but it seems there is a scarcity of words in English. But we will try. I never assume, I never accept defeat. Oh, I forgot to roll down my sleeves, and this is summer time, so my hands will be black due to sun tanning. So I have to do this every time, being it a morning or evening. Okay, now it's fine. Today I just woke up earlier in the morning, like 4:45, or being it is something 6 a.m. So my eyes are burning from inside, not outside. I feel so much of tired. I don't know why. In these days, I am not enjoying my banking journey. I am very exhausted, and because in these specific days, being it a month, April, May months are always relaxed. No one has targets. No one call you to do something. But these months hasn't come this way. Just too many targets are coming, and there is no joy left in doing the banking job. But it's majburi, you can say. I don't know what to say majburi in English. Majburi in the sense, if I left the banking industry, what will I do? Because there are many things to do. It doesn't I'm not saying that there is nothing in the world, so that we have to we cannot survive. Everyone survives. Everyone who has born in this on this earth planet, who survives, because he can do the bare minimum things to survive. He can arrange foods for him. He can arrange almost everything he needs. But if the only purpose of life was surviving, then why would we wasted these so many years to become something? I don't know. You tell me in comment section, what do you think about the life? Is it about only surviving, or doing something unique, or doing something big? And what is the meaning of being doing something bigger? What is the meaning of bigger, and what is the meaning of doing something unique? In what way this is called unique? Okay, so this is the point of a deep discussion. No one asks a question to himself or herself about the life. What is the purpose of life? It is only about surviving, or doing it on our way. But can we do it our way? Does the environment allows us to do anything in our way? No. Many things are not in our hands. We cannot do what we want, but still we want that we can do our follow our dreams, follow our passion, वगैरह वगैरह. But what are the dreams? You know, are the things which we cannot achieve in life are our dreams, or is the dreams genuine dreams? I know most of the people have dreams which they cannot achieve in their life. I know they call it dream. Laborer person, you can say, laborer or daily wages person who only earns 200 to 300 rupees per day, and he barely survives in this time. But he has a dream of having just his own house. You know, he has a dream of just buying his own two-wheeler, you can say. They have just smaller dreams. But as we grow, if he achieves a decent home, a decent medical facility, education facility, traveling facility, then his dreams become bigger. So what do you mean by dream? So according to me, dream always be a thing which we cannot achieve, or we do not possess till now. If we do not possess something, we are dreaming about it, and we get it, then we forget his value. We just dream about some bigger thing than that. So that's why we cannot get satisfaction from anything. And people say getting satisfied is not okay, because if you get satisfied, how will the universe grow? How will the new things will be invented? How will new technology will be invented? But according to me, if technology is invented, it's not because they wanted something bigger, because the main purpose of invention was to solve people's problems. So people in ancient times, people were have to do much and much efforts we do now, as compared to as we do now. They have to grow their own foods, or whichever in the profession they were. They have to work 24 hours, a day, being it a day or being it a night. They have to work hard, and just for survival. Just for survival, they hadn't imagined any luxury life. Okay, but now they invented something, because we can achieve some of ease in doing everything. So that we can save our time, we can rest a little bit. We do not have to rush. The invention would help me. They thought like that, but is it happening? I don't think it's happening. The people are getting more rush and rush and rush. They are running from and they are running to, but then no one knows from and to. Running from, I don't know, running from this thing. Running to get something, but they don't know what to get. They are just running and running and running. They from and to doesn't is not known by them. So we were talking about inventions and people life. What about wildlife? I think I am always talking about life, and I am discussing always about life, just because we are living. We are living beings. We are not non-living things. We are living things. We have to live. We have limited life. We have already wasted. I have already wasted 25 years of my life. If you see how 25 years past I just remember barely some things, you know. And the next upcoming years will also be expanded like that, you know, but will be spended, not it's called spent, will be spent like that, but I don't want them to be like that, just like past, and I want something more valuable. I'm not saying something big or something unique or something I know, something wealthy. No, I want something valuable, I know. I just imagine like having a quality time of as these years remaining, I know, which are remaining, whatever it be, 10 year, 5 year, 20 year, 30 year, 40 year, or even 50 years, and there would be quality years, and so quality years means we can do actually what we are happy doing that, you know. We want something, but always we want but always the things we want are not what the things that makes us happy, you know. Because we always want the things which we never which we still not possessing them, you know. If we do not possess anything, we want them, you know. If the neighbor has this, you know, if our friend has this, if society has this, I want this. Okay, it doesn't have any relationship with being happy, you know. So doing something that actually makes us happy, you know, that is called the quality years, you know. And what makes us happy, you will have to find your own answer. That's how much easy it is. I have spoken English so much, my chest, my lungs are I'm very tired because I have never spoken English, because it feels like where I am putting strain on my lungs and whatever you say, and abdomen area because my breath is lifted. Lifted means has become heavy. But just keep trying. Just try and try and try. After trying so many times, I will be perfect English speaker. Being it perfect or being it fluent. Each company and each organization wants growth, but they want their employees to be productive, they want their employees to be innovative, but they don't want their employees to being comfortable, you know. They put so much of strain, they put so much of pressure, they give unrealistic targets. So I have there not 6:23 is not an early time, but still the sunset is little bit late, not late, it's on time, I know. But there is time in sunset, so I will go to home and just sit down on the chair, you know, and I will think about the other options, because I cannot survive in the bank, and I am telling you on this platform, you know, because it can be anyone's dream, it can be anyone's profession, passion, but it's not mine, you know. Everyone has different type of goals, different type of values, and different type of priorities, and banking is not my cup of tea. I have learned so much from banking, and I have excelled in banking. I have learned many things, in just 2 years, but this is not the thing I want, this is not the thing that makes me happy. Wants and happiness can be different, but still I am saying I am not happy. है ना. I am happy because I am getting salary and a decent salary, but I am not happy from it. The money doesn't matter to me. Money doesn't matters for me just for survival. If I am surviving very well, the money is the purpose ended there. Okay. So I don't know what will I do. Will I do farming, or because I do not want more and more and more money. I just want peace. I want to be my own master. So no one can instruct me to how to do, when to do, why to do. I can take my own decisions. So that the freedom gives farming. If no one purchases my item, don't I do not have to worry. I have animals, I have my family to feed, I have food to feed my family, I have everything. If I am surviving well, I don't need anything. Don't purchase. I'm not dying of that. I probably oh bhai, I must have spoken in Hindi, so I could have explained you better the things I wanted to say. I wanted to say something, but my language didn't allow me. Because English is my today's language, and I am speaking English with you guys, and please let me know if there is something mistakes in my English. Please correct me. So that's it for today, guys. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye, tata. Okay.